तूं पणजे हितून येयला अष्टमिका कितें इशू कितें
So in fact, as you all know, I am just right outside the home of Assistencia Goa, Penguin, where the missionaries of charity, Mother Teresa's home, was been, it was last 49 years. The missionaries of charity, हांगासर चलताल्यो आनी तेजी फावंडर कोण जावन आशिल्ली आमची मदर तेरेसा, मेरी तेरेसा, who was known as Mother Teresa, who had surrendered her life for Indians. वेस्ट बेंगॉलात तेंचे पयले मिशनरी स्टार्ट जाल्ले आनी मिशनरीज वॉज वॉट वॉज द चॅरिटी वर्क दॅट मदर तेरेसा बिलीव वॉज सर्विंग द पुअरस्ट ऑफ पुअर. नाव लेट मी टेल यू ऑल, तांचे जे मिशनरीज ते ऑपरेट करतालीं देर हॅज बीन मोर देन इन 133 कंट्रीज आनी सांगपाचें म्हणल्यार 4,500 सुमार नन्स वर रनिंग दीस होम्स, चॅरिटी होम्स. आतां हे जे गोंयांत आशिल्लें लास्ट 49 इयर्स आशिल्लें आनी वॉट वॉज मदर तेरेसाज थिंग, शी हॅड डेडिकेटेड हर लायफ. ऑफकोर्स शी इज अ सेंट, तिका सेंटाचो दर्जो दिलो, सेंट तेरेसा ऑल्सो, but we call her lovingly as Mother Teresa and she's known as Mother Teresa. But her charity was non-profitable. Her charity was, as I said, for the poorest of poor people. She would get whom treated. She would get treated, she would treat those people or get admitted those people actually who had AIDS, HIV AIDS. Secondly, if I'm not mistaken, leprosy patients. Not to go further, I can say even people who had tuberculosis, that is TB. Leprosy जाल्ले, TB जाल्ले, AIDS जाल्ले लोकांक न्ही ती जे लोकांक समाज कुशीन घालतालो, वच नाकात आउट, फॅमिली कुशीन घालताली, थंय आमच्या मदर तेरेसान असल्या लोकांक न्ही आपल्या एंग मारून इतले कितें इन्स्टिट्यूट आनी इतल्यो इन्स्टिट्यूट केल्यो भारतांत आनी ही एक जावन आशिल्ली आमच्या गोंयांत, आमच्या पणजे शारांत. आनी 49 इयर्स ही इन्स्टिट्यूट चल्ली. म्हाजो रिजन आयज हांगा येवपा खातीर, आय हॅव बीन लुकींग, दीस इज गोईंग ऑन. म्हाका काल रातचो खंय तरी 8:30 फोन आयलो आनी 3 जाण बायल्यो उलयल्यो आनी त्यो तिगांयनी म्हाका सांगलें, एक सांगता दिस मे बी अ मिशनरी रन बाय द क्रिश्चन कॅथलीक मिशनरी ती, बट मदर तेरेसाज मिशनरी ऑफ चॅरिटी जी हांगा आशिल्ली तिणी केन्ना भेदभाव करूं ना खंयचेच रिलीजन ऑर कास्टाक. काल ज्यो बायल्यो म्हजे कडेन उलयल्यो 3 जाणां, एकल्यान सांगलें म्हाका, प्रतिमा मॅडम यू हॅव टू कम इन वॉयस, वी नीड युअर वॉयस देर. शी टोल्ड मी दॅट आय नॉट फ्रॉम गोवा, आय एम नॉट फ्रॉम गोवा, हांव ओडिसाचें खंयचे तरी. आनी म्हाका आवय बापायन म्हाका दिसता रस्त्यार उडयलें खंय उडयलें खबर ना, पूण ह्या नन्सांनी जे रन करतालें घर हें दीस होम, म्हाका तेणी खंयच्यान तरी गार्बेजांतल्यान काडून हाडिल्लें, म्हाका नांव दिलें, म्हाका स्कुलान घातलें पणजे, म्हाका शिकयलें आनी म्हाका लग्न करून दिलें आनी आयज हांव सेटल्ड आसा गोंयांत. दुसऱ्या बायलेन सांगलें आपूण हिंदू आनी सेम थिंग शी टोल्ड मी, आय वॉज लायक अ डेस्टिट्यूट, आय हॅड नोबडी. But these nuns had bought me, kept me for over like 25-30 years. My kids also, it was a home. Though I was married, they got me married, I used to come with my children here as a home. And the nuns always treated us like, कशें आवयचें घर आसता तशें. आनी तिसऱ्या चलयेन म्हाका सांगलें, it was lately, like not even 10-15 years, married, means got kids and all, that this was a home. आयज वायट दिसता जें घर मदर तेरेसा जे कोणाक पळयताली, डेस्टिट्यूट्सांक पळयताली, ऑर्फन्सांक पळयताली, अनवॅडीड मदर्सांक पळयताली, जेंकां घर नाशिल्लें, समाजाक फॅमिलीन तांकां भायर उडयल्लें, वो लग्नाच्या भायर लग्न जायनासतना अनवॅडीड मदर्स आसतात, तांकां ती हाडून तांकां तेंची भुरगीं हांगा जल्माक हाडून तांकां पोसलेलीं. 49 इयर्स म्हणल्यार तुमी चिंतात मदर तेरेसाची कितें आशिल्लो मोटो, तिजो मोटो कितें आशिल्लो, भुरग्यांनी अबॉर्शन करप ना, डिवोर्स करप ना, आनी तिसरें म्हणटा ते she always believed, she believed, I'm very feeling heavy to speak, it's the first time. She believed in certain principles की समाजान ते भुरग्यांकनी आनी बायलांकनी आनी डेस्टिट्यूटना बी समाजान सोडला तांकां हाडून दवरपाचें म्हणून. आयकपाक आयलें आमकां फाटल्या 7-8 दीस न्यूज चालू आसा, सगळे कडेन बोवाळ जालो की तिणी तांकां वेकेट करपाक, ते आर गोईंग म्हणून. आनी येस्टरडे वॉज द डे दे हॅड टू वेकेट. सम ऑफ द inmates who were staying here, I've heard that they have been shifted to Karamboli, some are shifted to Kota. Now why the need arise? When I came here, I saw Neville Montero, who is sitting inside and waiting for me. He is the, I guess, president of this SNCC, the Goa. He came to know, it seems, that I am coming here. The committee members are there. This is the institute, SNCC, the Goa, which was formed in 1910, the trust, which was given to Mother Teresa's Missionaries of Charity. So this is between the trust and the charity. I came first and I had a look inside. I saw the pathetic state of the walls, of the ceiling, of the floor. Now the other day they said they have vacated, they have gone. But as far as I know, the information I have gathered through the sources, and especially the ladies who called me yesterday said, sisters have not gone out of their will. Sisters were pushed away. Sisters felt humiliated. So I said, but I've heard people, and I've read somewhere that sister said that Panjim is rich and there are no poor people in Panjim. I can say that it may be a sarcastic statement made by the sister out of humiliation or frustration or by feeling hurt. I've known that this is going on for the last 10 years, from 2014. I understand that, when the missionaries of charities run म्हणल्यार कितें means समाज सेवा ती प्रॉफिट करपाचो बिझनस न्ही तो. जे कोण चॅरिटी दिता, फंड्स दिता, ताजेर ती तांकां कोसतालीं, डेस्टिट्यूटांक, अनवेडीड मदर्सांक, भुरग्यांक कोणाक सोडलेलीं आसात, जाणटेलीं, तांकां ती कोसतालीं. दे डिडंट हॅव मनी टू रिपेर दीस और रिनोवेट दीस. एंड लास्ट 10 years इट वॉज गोईंग ऑन. म्हाका दिसता कितें तरी भासाभास जाताली बिटवीन द ट्रस्टीज and between the missionaries of charities. And I think somewhere when it was going on, meetings were supposed to be held, this, that. But I understand that there was no funds, there was no support system for the missionaries of charity. And then they had to come to this conclusion. But I feel, no, there are many poor people. I can show how many poor people are in Panjim. Panjim city must be rich. But Panjim city must be rich, but there are many people and destitutes, old people, unwedded mothers, who are there. People come, contact us. आमी कितले जाणां प्रोविडन्सान घातलां, हिंगा जाल्यार फ्री आसतालें. आयज कितले जाणां म्हाका दिसता अनाथ आसा पळय येवपाक आसलेलीं, तांकां तुमी बेगर केलां. This was the home for the homeless. This was the home for the hopeless, and today it's just over. I can't just take it. I feel somewhere, I've heard, I don't know, I don't want to get politics here. It's nothing to do with politics. It is nothing to be, to do with the MLA of Panjim. Nothing I will speak about Babush, because I know he's not involved. I would not like to talk about the BJP Sarkar here, because I know that CN is not involved, because this issue is with the trust and this issue is between the missionaries of charity. But I think strongly, as I've gathered some information, that the South Goa, one of the strongest, powerful men, who has the habit of talking to God, देवा कडेन उलयता तो पळय, ताजें कितें तरी खंय पर्सनल फॅमिलीचें कितें तरी हांगा कितें बिझनस आसा, वो कितें तरी पेट्रोल पंप आसा, आनी कितें तरी तांचें आसा एजेंडा. अरे बाबानो, तुमचें समज कितें तरी आसा एजेंडा आनी तुमी कितें करूंक सोदता, हे जागो समज तुमी घेवपाक सोदता पळय इतल्या वर्साचो, हो चुकोन दिवपाक शकता, हो ट्रस्टा कडेन मागता, हो जागो तुमी सांबाळून दवरूंक जाय. हो जागो वचपाक शकना, कित्याक कितले पळय 49 years हांगा जे आवय भुरग्यांकली व्हडले केल्यात, जाणटेलीं आनी कोण दुयेंत आशिल्लीं तांकां सिस्टरांनी होम म्हूण केल्लो, तांचे तुमी शिराक घेनाकात. दे आर क्रायींग टुडे दॅट वी डोंट हॅव अ होम टू कम. आमी लग्न जाल्यार आमकां बरें दिसता आवयगेर वचपाक, आमचें आवयचें घर आहा, आवयगेर वचपाक. तशें त्या बायलांक न्ही हें घर आसलेलें, तुमी तांकां बेगोर करनाकात. हांवें सर एंटनी सिल्वा जो आमचो आंबिनीचो आसा ताजो हांवें सकाळीं एक व्हिडिओ पळयलो. इट वॉज अरावंड 7:30, 8 o'clock something. He posted one video and then he threw some light where I came to know, and then I said I made up my mind that I have to go today because otherwise it would be, I would feel helpless. See, this is nothing but I'm again saying Mother Teresa's Missionaries of Charity. तिका नोबल पीस अवॉर्ड मेळिल्लो आसा, नोबल प्रायज मेळिल्लो आसा, पद्मश्री मेळिल्ली बायल ती. ते बायलेन आपलो देश सोडून ते आमकां इंडियन्सांक लागून आनी तेजे चॅरिटी होम सगळे सबंद इंडियात घातल्यो आनी ही आमची चॅरिटी होम आशिल्ली. मदर तेरेजाचें अस्तित्व हांगा आसा. हांव म्हणटा तिजो आत्मो हांगासर आसा. सो नाव as I've been told when I spoke to Neil Montero, who is the president, he was like telling me like let's talk, and they have come. Some of them have come to speak. I told them, they briefed me, but I said that I want to talk. I would not like to blame them also, but I would like to request them. This is nobody's property. This is just the facility of Goa and Yola. He has taken over it since from 2024, last year only. So he was telling me, around last 10 years it's going on. The pathetic state, you see Pratima, it's not in the condition. I'm saying that it's a trust, तुमचे कडेन जायना जाल्यार न्ही हांव सांगता, हांव भीक मागता गोंयकारा कडेन. हांव गोंयकार जे नॉट ओन्ली इन गोवा बट साबार आमच्या इंडियात आसा आनी भायल्या गांवांतली तुका आसा. तुमचे कडेन जायना जाल्यार हांव उलो मारतां आनी फांड्स हाडटां, पूण मातशे पांय पडटा. हे चॅरिटी होम जे आसा पळय, होम फॉर द होपलेस एंड फॉर द होमलेस and for the destitutes and orphans should not be shut down. I request the trustees, I request the trust, SSTC, the trust which is run by here, that please get back our nuns. They are doing noble service, they are serving humanity, and तांकां परतून हाडचें. आनी जायतो लोक आसा, जायते डेस्टिट्यूट आसा गोंयांत, जायते जे होमलेस आसा तांकां होम म्हूण एक आशा आसता, तांकां परतून हाडून तांचें घर दिवचें म्हूण हांव अपेक्षा करतां.